I keep missing the times he kisses him. He like kisses him a lot, like you.
Jedediah, what are you doing with Benaiah? Man, Benaiah looks like a little chunky sumo, huh?
Yeah, my sister. Oh, what's that? One's kind of shaky.
Do you want to give your baby brother a popo? No.
Oh, I got it!
Is he heavy? Is your baby brother heavy?
Here, scoot up more.
That was a good one. Why don't you talk to Benaiah, Jedediah? Say hi, Benaiah. Say I love you. Can you say I love you?
Oh, perfect with this little hands. Oh, look at that smile.
Yeah.
I never got a picture of him smiling like that. You can't really see it like that.
Yeah.
Up?
Uh-oh. Be careful. Take it easy.
You want to see all the pictures Mommy took? Okay.
Hi,
Yeah,
Benaiah.
I never got tired of any of those photos that I just took. It's just like a different expression. More? Lay down. Here, let me see. That way. Huh? Yeah. Huh? No, come over here. No. You want to hold Benaiah again? No, sit over where you were. Sit where you were. Lean that way. Just go like this. Oh my god, I took so many pictures.
Oh! Who made a stinky? Was that you?
I want his head to be up now. Let's see. That doesn't look so fat.
Benaiah, boy, you put on some weight. You're a little chunky man. Look at you.
Oh. I think I can.
Give him a kiss on his head. Popo. See, Benaya's looking at his big brother. Okay, take it easy with your hand.
No.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh, that's a nice one.
No.
Oh, look, Benaya. He looks rested. Oh, you gotta cover your mouth. You can't just sneeze on your brother like that. That's horrible.
Look, it's right before he's about to sneeze.
Okay. Jedediah, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.